guys, your lineman with the white Trini. Today's a beautiful Sunday morning. Today we're gonna cook up roti, chana and aloo, and some curry chicken. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna make a simple curry here. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of onion. All right. Let this fry up here just a little. Okay. While we wait for this to fry up a little, I'm gonna explain some of the ingredients we're gonna put. We're gonna put our chana that we went ahead and already pressure cooked. It's seasoned up real good, right? We're gonna put some aloo that we have soaking, cut up. And then, you know, the usual, our turmeric, our jeera, little curry. These are just some of the, you know, ingredients that we're gonna use to whip this up. And drop some turmeric in. All right. A little bit of masala. A little bit of jeera. All right. Grab my sappy here, stir this up a little bit. I love that smell. Smelling wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and put in a little green seasoning. Check it out. Yes, love that sound. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of some water, a little seasoning. Very nice. All right, I'll let this fry up a little bit more here. This looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and drop in our aloo. All right. Stir this up a bit. How's it looking, guys? It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and let this fry up here just a little bit. Let it chunke up. And then we're gonna get back to you guys. So I just want our aloo here to chunke up a little bit. Then we'll add in our chana. I'm gonna show you guys the magic. Man, it's smelling good. All right, check it out. Here's our chana. Drop this in. All right. I'm gonna give it a good stir. How's it looking, guys? How's it looking? See all the seasoning. Look at that, beautiful. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let this chunky up here some, and we're gonna get back to you. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start my next pot here for our chicken. I'm gonna add a little oil, get it lit up first. Add a little oil on here. All right. right, seems like our oil's a little hot here. I'm gonna go ahead and add in our onions. Let this chunky up here a little bit. All right. Also want to let you guys know I went ahead and strained the chana out of the actual water, but we kept the water for all that flavor to let it, boil up in. So we'll add that in a little bit. Our onions are looking good here, frying up, chunking up. Simple curry today, guys, simple curry. All right. It's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and add in our turmeric. Our masala. And a little bit of curry. All right. There we go. All right, y'all. The chana's ready. We're gonna go ahead and add in the water that was boiling with our chana. All right. Go ahead and give it a little stir. We're gonna let that cook up. All right. We're gonna leave that to do its thing, and we'll check back with you guys in a bit on that. Now we're gonna go ahead and drop our chicken in. Ready to go. Check it out. One whole chicken seasoned up. Go ahead and drop this in. Go ahead and give it a stir. Nice. These cast iron pots are great pots too, by the way. They really absorb the heat, and it helps cook the food very much through and stuff, you know? Nice, so well seasoned. All the seasoning, the pepper, beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook up, build up some water, and we'll get back to you. So I'm not a pro, I'm still learning here. My wife assists me, as you can see with the, a little bit of holes on the end. But I'm trying, guys, that's what matters, So, and listen, it's gonna last either way, right? Right. So I'm doing my thing the best way that white Trini can, right? All right. I'm gonna fold it into the cone kind of shape. I'm gonna tuck it in. I'm gonna stand it up so, push it in so. All right, we'll get back to you guys.
Bust up shot, bust up shot, oh.
Check it out, y'all. Chana is done. Boom. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pack this up and we'll show you this during the final results. And now we're gonna check up on our chicken. Chicken is cooking away here. Give it a little stir. It's looking good. Looks like we gotta let it cook a little bit more. It should be good to go soon. So like I said, these cast iron pots, they really, absorb like the heat and confine it. So it really, whatever you're cooking, like it cooks it quick and good. It's looking beautiful. All right, check it out, y'all. Chicken is done. Beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and get our roti started here just now. Check it out, y'all. Wife is belaying out the first roti here. She's gonna help me out with the belay. All right. Good. Now we just gotta add in our oil and get it started. Make sure you oil it real good. You don't want it to stick. All right. Go ahead and flip it. All right. Looking good. Go ahead and oil the next side like so.
Bust up shot. Bust up shot, oi!
All right.
Came for carnival. And she went to a bagua down in Pina. When the roti start to share, she began to eat. People staring but she don't care. She start to sing sweet, sweet. Bust up shot, oi. How I love this thing so.
All right, guys, check it out. Final results. We have our roti, our chana aloo, and our curry chicken. We're doing our final results outside. It's a little hot, but not bad. Very nice day. So let's try it out. The roti is nice, soft, fluffy. Try a little bit of this chana. The chana melts in your mouth, very flavorful. All the flavors are nicely meshed together. Very, very nice. Very lashin'. Try a little bit of chicken here. Right off the bat, you taste a nice, strong curry taste. Chicken is very soft, cooked, very nice. Guys, this is lashin'. I want to say thanks for joining us today. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Cheers to you.